Yep, just over the bridge now, Ferry Lane, so it will be coming out on Saltney Ferry Road, B5129.
Oh, giusto. Oh, cazzo. Oh, damn. Oh, I hit something. Stai fermo! La schiena?
Non lo so. Stai calmo, stai calmo, stai calmo. Stai calmo. Stai calmo, pa.
Sì. Ti dico di andare piano!
Ma stavo andando. Stai calmo.
Come va?
Dovrei essere a posto.
Eh?
Dovrei essere a posto.
Hai dato una schienata. Le gambe le muovi, no? I piedi che senti?
Sì. Devo levare da qua.
Sì. La caduta più brutta che puoi fare in moto l'hai fatta a te, vedi? Contro anteriore e contro muretto. Proprio perché se lì scivolavi qua, rovini tutto ma non spacchi un cazzo. Cioè sopra il muretto lì, immaginati te, hai dato una botta con la schiena lì che guarda io, mi è venuto un infarto. Un infarto mi è venuto.
Sì, effettivamente dov'è che mi fa male la schiena.
Ci ho preso
Però-
una botta di ho detto guarda se l'è rotta Belin.
Pensa che mentre ci provavo ho detto ci metto i piedi. Infatti ho allungato le gambe perché infatti io ho preso la botta col tallone. Andresti all'ospedale? Per
Un
la,
giretto l'avrei fatto.
per la schiena più che altro. Per la schiena.
Sì
Sono andato largo. Cosa diciamo mamma?
È tutto, non ci devi dire. Che andavamo e niente, sei scivolato e sei caduto. Ora qua non prende neanche il telefono, cioè ti rendi conto?
Sì, qua non prendo. Qua non prendo.
Fuck, get off your phone. Yeah. Get off your phone. Get off your phone. Your phone. Your phone. Put it down.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
The A5117, Chester Road, the bypass area there.
All patrols at the moment are behind the helicopter. If there's a patrol that can make ahead,
Left, 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 first exit, and it's now taken Chester Road, Chester Road.
the 454, if you can get down where you are to Chester Road through Little Sutton, perfect place to finger. Is it petrol station? Petrol station.
Yeah, 2-1 is at the BP petrol station now.
Fill up now. BP, Gary.
Is it the one in the roundabout?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, at the roundabout. Vehicle's now moving off out of the petrol station, and it's going left, left, Shottick Road, so continuing A5117 in time. Re-arrives, just looking around. He still heads in on his phone, you can see on the downlink. In fact, both of them with his hands off the controls, both of them on the phones. Yeah, it's a small road that takes you underneath the railway, which it's taking now. So he is going to pop back out, I think, on the A56, the main drag into Frodsham. So my 2-1, it hasn't come out of that bridge area. It is temporarily held. So if we can get a patrol onto the A56. Yeah, 2-1, he was fueling on the move under that bridge area. And it's gone through on red. It's going to be a reset. No, stand by. It's going contra. So he's heading to go contra now on the M56, tracking westbound. He's seen the stingers, he's doing a reset now, taking the on-slip, correct side of the carriageway, taking the on-slip back towards M50 lane, so it will be coming out on Saltney Ferry Road, B5129. 2-1 just forcing its way past a pedal cyclist, just stand by. Crash.
I feel like we've met before, haven't we? Where are you from?
Liverpool originally.
Second male is heading down towards the canal, stand by. He is out to the main road now, City Walls Road. He's removed the helmet, stand by. Have we got another patrol, please? Male is on the floor on City Walls Road with sole officer.
Yeah, that was exceptional. Well done, everyone, again. Fantastic teamwork and really well done by NPAS